Bass.
Human being is a pretty much resistant animal, so you know.
A resistant animal.
Yeah, it's like a dog, you know, if you want to kill a dog, he's not gonna die just like that. People say,
How many dogs do you kill?
I didn't kill, I love animals. The first one can be like this and boom, and grab him. After you grab him, is when you feel he's gonna push a little bit, all you need to do is to switch and to change his, yeah, because, yeah, you can, boom, and when I feel you oppose, yeah, when I feel you oppose, hop, a throw, yeah, if you want to go back, yeah, if you want to go back, yeah. Yeah, I cannot do the throw, yeah. So I must do something to force you, yeah, to push. And in the moment when you push me, yeah, when you push, yeah, yeah, then I do the throw. Yeah. I use
My force.
Yeah, your force. From this position, yeah, your goal, yeah, is to put pressure, to put pressure here, and the legs will go and boom, shut the liver. After this, yeah, your leg come here, and what you're gonna do, you know, either if you push, yeah, either if you push, yeah, if you push, yeah, I cannot do it this one, yeah, so I can kick, punch, do something, yeah, and follow you, yeah, in attack. If from here, yeah, I'm gonna do this, and I can give you a little bit curve like that, you know, yeah. Hop, and after that, yeah, move the leg, yeah, this leg here, the other leg here, and this one hit. When I hit with this one, yeah, look, it's up, yeah, it's here, yeah. Boom. Yeah. I have you here. I have my hand. I keep my hand. Here.